Hey everyone! Are you tired of your Elementor designs feeling boxed in with white space on the sides? In 2026, the secret to edge-to-edge layouts lies in the Flexbox container system. Today, I'm showing you how to activate this feature in your settings, and then how to force any container to go truly full width. Let's head to the WordPress dashboard. Before we can build, we have to make sure the right tools are turned on. From your WordPress sidebar, go to Elementor and click on Settings. You'll see several tabs at the top. You want to click the one labeled Features. Note, in older versions, this was called Experiments. Scroll down through the list until you find Flexbox Container. In the drop-down menu next to it, change the status to Active. Once that's set, scroll all the way to the bottom and hit Save Changes. This replaces the old sections and columns with the much faster, more flexible container system. Now, open the page you want to edit. Before touching the container, we need to clear the theme's margins. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel. Under Page Layout, change it to Elementor Full Width. This is the master switch that allows your content to touch the very edges of the browser. Now, click on your container. In the Layout tab on the left, you'll see Content Width. Switch this from boxed to full width. You'll see the width value jump to 100%. This tells this specific container to ignore any default constraints and span the entire screen. Even with full width on, you might see tiny gaps. To fix this, look for the gap setting in the same Layout tab. Set your columns gap and rows gap to 0 or no gap. Just like that, you have a perfect, high-end, edge-to-edge section ready for your background images or videos. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.